This is Kent with Blackberry Smoke. We are here at the Sweetwater Pavilion in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I just want to give you guys a full, detailed kit rundown so you know everything that I'm playing. First off, we're going to start with the drums. The drum set itself is a Gretsch USA Custom in a black gold Duco finish. The sizes are 9x13, 16x18, and 16x16, and 14x24. The heads I'm using are the Aquarian Response 2s. I've been with Aquarian forever, and I really think they are the best heads on the planet. They last forever. I mean, I literally change the snare head out about every 4 shows, and the tom heads out about maybe every 6 or 8 shows. They just hold up and stay tuned. The heads I'm using on the batters are all Coda Response 2s, and then on the bottoms of the toms, I've got texture coated single ply. The bottom of the snare is a classic clear, and then over here is my percussion rig, my percussion setup. I'm really excited to be with Toka. I just started working with Toka, and everything they've been sending me has been absolutely stellar. These are the Toka Custom Deluxe bongos in Safari Gold. I've got the Toka, this is the Toka Ching Ring hi-hat tambourine. This is the Toka PVC shaker, the PVC tambourine. These are all built really well, super light, easy to use. And then I've got the PVC maraca on a drumstick here. I also have the big fat snare drum, the bow tie, and the hi-hat tambourine here for a little bit of a different sound. I use these two guys primarily on Azalea, the Blackberry Smoke song Azalea. This is my talkback mic. This is the SE V7 PTT, so it's a push to talk. So what's great about this is if I need to get a hold of the monitor guy, I can just push this button and talk into it, and then when I let go of it, it shuts off. So I never have to worry about accidentally leaving it on with a switch or anything like that. All the mics on the kit are SE. We are huge fans of the SE V-Beats. We got V-Beats on the bongos, snare drums, all the toms. The kick drum, we have a V-kick and a BL8 in the kick drum. And then we got a match pair of SE 4100s on the overheads, an SE8 on the hi-hat, and an SE8 on the ride. We do have some D-drum triggers, and these are basically used just to open and close the gates for the mic, so it makes the sound man's job a lot easier. All my hardware is DW. I really am a big fan of the 5000 series hardware. I use all straight stands, so I don't really need something too heavy. But I've got a 5000 2-leg hi-hat, and then all these are 5000 straight cymbal stands. And then I've got the DW 9000 double pedal, because you got to have the DW 9000 double pedal. It's the best pedal in the world. And then cymbals, I play nothing but Dream cymbals. I've been with Dream now for over 10 years, and these cymbals have been on the road for me for a long time. And honestly, it's like the feel of these cymbals is something I can't adjust to any other company. So Dream is just, to me, they just make the most beautiful instruments. But these are the 15-inch Bliss hi-hats. This is a 22-inch Bliss paper thin. This is a 22-inch contact heavy ride, which this is my first Dream ride I bought like 10 years ago. This thing is just, it's part of me. This is another Bliss 22-inch paper thin. These are pitched a little bit different. And then this is a Bliss 20-inch crash ride. And then sticks I'm using the Vic Firth 1As. And I also, on Azalea, our song Azalea, during the show, I use the SD12 Swizzle G, which these are made of maple, and they got like the felt on top. They work really good on toms. And then a couple little things I like to do. I have a little thing you can try doing. I have a little clip-on flashlight here that I keep on my stick bag, and that way if I drop something, I can easily access a light to get to it and stuff. But I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, the Gretsch drums, I forgot to mention the snare drums. This is the 6.5 by 14-inch black copper. So it's a copper shell that's powder coated inside and out. And then this is special. This is an 8x14 Ridgeland. This is the first one they ever built in an 8x14. So it's a combination of the gumwood, maple, and poplar shells, and it's fat. I mean, it's super fat. So I think that's my entire drum set.